During the life of your wheel, you may need to replace or repair the magnet that would be found on your flyer head. The magnets may be different shapes and different sizes depending on what wheel you are spinning on and whether or not that wheel is golden whirl and what size the flyer rod is. So if you are ordering a new magnet, you would want to make sure you make note of what size flyer rod you are replacing a magnet on. So reasons that you might need to replace your magnet would be, one, if it loses charge, which would be fairly unlikely. The most likely reason you would need to reattach it would be not so much that it needed to be replaced, but more so that it perhaps became unglued from the back of your wheel. And this can happen because these magnets are so strong that when you are spinning, especially on larger bobbins, so not necessarily this 4-ounce one, the magnet can become overly attached to the metal part on the bobbin, and then when you remove the bobbin, you would the magnet would still be stuck in here instead of where you wanted it to be on your flyer head. This is not a particularly common problem, but if you ever are spinning and all of a sudden feel like it's not working right, make sure you check, make sure that your magnet is still attached to your flyer head and is not somehow attached to the inside of your bobbin from a last bobbin that you spun. If your magnet has become detached, you would want it to, and it would be just stuck down in this bobbin hole here, stuck to that metal part. The easiest way to get it out is to get a pair of needle nose pliers, and you can just easily, slip it down inside the magnet and pull it out at an angle. Once you have the magnet out of your bobbin, or if you're replacing it with a whole new magnet, you would then place glue, some super glue, on one side of your magnet, and then you will slide the magnet down this pole until it is stuck where it needs to be. Holding it in place shouldn't really be an issue because the magnet will naturally snap back to where it's supposed to be, and then you just wait till the glue dries. You will definitely want to make sure that the glue is totally dry before trying to insert another bobbin.